Now, a lot of you probably, when you hear the word art, think of fluffy. And there's a very good reason for that. It's actually, not a lot of people know this, but it's biologically hardwired into our brains as a survival method. And if you don't know the origin of the word fluffy, then go and read a book. But the thing about fluffy is that it's always very good at, like, oh god, what have I done? It was supposed to be red. What's wrong with me? Red. Okay, fluffy. So, and what do you think of? I mean, clouds are fluffy, kittens are fluffy. Cavemen had like fluffy clothes, but that does not inherently make cavemen fluffy, so they don't really have anything to do with it. But so if you want a lightning pattern, then that's going to clash with fluffiness. It's okay because I've used the same color that I was scribbling with, and that balances it out. And this color is similar enough to the blue that I was scribbling the fluffy with, so that also balances it out. And if I use a yellow color, it just like ruins the whole thing. So don't do that, undo. Now green would be okay, but we're gonna have to use a different thing. Now these arrows actually remind me a bit of tire tracks. But who ever saw a green tire track? That's stupid, so we'll delete that. We got some stems. Now blue stems are frankly disgusting, so let's not use them. We've got some stars. Now green stars are not the best color, but it's all we've got, so. And then we've got flowers. So just finishing touches. Actually, you know what? This is terrible. Oh, God, this is. Oh my God, that's a mess. That's disgusting. Oh, let's close that. Oh my God. Oh God. I'll see you next time. Bye.